In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask an Affinity photo. Masking is a simple, non-destructive way to hide or reveal parts of a layer so you can refine edits without permanently changing your image. Think of it like placing a flexible stencil over your photo. You decide what shows and what stays hidden, and you can tweak it at any time. Start by opening Affinity Photo and bringing in your image. You can open it directly or place it into a new document. Either way, make sure the photo appears as a layer in your Layers panel. If you want extra safety, duplicate the layer first so you always have a clean original to fall back on. Next, switch to Pixel View at the top of the interface. This ensures you're previewing your edits at true pixel accuracy, which is especially helpful when you're refining edges. Zoom in a bit so you can see the area you'll be working on clearly. On the left toolbar, choose the Selection Brush tool. Adjust the brush size to match the details you need, larger for broad areas, smaller for tight corners, and slowly paint over the subject or region you want to keep or hide. Let the brush do the heavy lifting around edges. Take your time and don't worry if it isn't perfect on the first pass. Before you turn that selection into a mask, feather it slightly. Feathering softens the transition between selected and unselected areas, preventing hard, cut-out edges. A subtle feather is usually enough. You can always refine later. With the selection active, click Add Mask. Affinity Photo will create a mask linked to your layer, hiding whatever wasn't selected and revealing what was. Remember, on a mask, white reveals and black conceals. If you need to adjust, select the mask thumbnail and paint with a soft brush. White brings areas back, black hides them. If the effect is reversed from what you expected, simply invert the mask. When you're happy, deselect and save your file to preserve the mask for future edits, then export a copy for sharing.